Negative forms. Now study the rules of making negative forms. There are 3 ways of doing this. 1. Not is placed after the be, is, am, are, was, were, have, has, have, had, shall, should, will, would, may, or might. Affirmative. Amal is a good boy. Negative. Amal is not a good boy. Affirmative. Bimal has a book. Negative. Bimal has not means hasn't. A book means no book. Bimal has not a book. Affirmative. I shall go to school. Negative. I shall not go to school. Affirmative. We can solve this problem. Negative. We cannot means can't or can't solve this problem. 2. Not is placed after the helping verb do in absence of the above listed verbs. Affirmative. Go there. Negative. Do not go there. Affirmative. Deepak plays football. Negative. Deepak does not play football. Affirmative. They play football. Negative. They do not play football. 3. By using no before a noun and not before an adjective. No man can do this work. No before the noun man. He has no enemy. No before the noun enemy. He is not faithful. Not before the adjective faithful. The girl is not beautiful. Not before the adjective beautiful. 4. By using never or nothing. He never goes to school. They never go to school. They saw nothing in the room. Now study affirmative, negative, and interrogative side by side. Affirmative, I am. Negative, I am not. Interrogative, am I? Affirmative, we are. Negative, we are not. Interrogative, are we? Affirmative, you are. Negative, you are not. Interrogative, are you? Affirmative, he or she is. Negative, he or she is not. Interrogative, is he or she? Affirmative, they are. Negative, they are not. Interrogative, are they? Affirmative, it is. Negative, it is not. Interrogative, is it?
Question tags. Question tags are short interrogative clauses added like a tail to sentences, asking for confirmation. In affirmative sentences, the question tag is made by repeating the auxiliary verb in interrogative form in the negative, expecting the answer yes. Affirmative statement plus negative question tag, expecting the answer yes. You can speak French, can't you? You have a dog, haven't you? You will have to do this, won't you? Rohan is a good boy, isn't he? In negative sentences, the question tag is formed by repeating the auxiliary verb in interrogative form in the affirmative, expecting the answer no. Negative statement plus affirmative question tag, expecting the answer no. Salim cannot speak Hindi, can he? Not can't he. Saeed is not a good student, is he? Not is not he. Robert did not agree to do this. Did he? Not, didn't he? Rubeya will not come here, will she? A. The main force of affirmation or negation lies in the main clause, not in the question tag. B. The subject of a question tag must be a pronoun, never a noun. C. The non-contracted negative interrogative form is used in the main clause and contracted or shortened form in the question tag. E. Positive statements with the negative shortened forms we are, positive statement, aren't we? F. If there are two auxiliaries in the verb, only the first one is used in the formation of the question tag. They should have done this, shouldn't they? G. The tag for imperative affirmative sentences usually begins with will, but the tag for imperative negative sentences usually begins with do. Write down your name, will you? Imperative affirmative. Don't disturb me, do you? Imperative negative. H. For a positive request or command, the tag can be either positive or negative. Go to market, will you? Go to market, won't you? Please shut the door, will you? Please shut the door, won't you? First, but for negative request or commands, the tag can only be positive. Don't make such mistakes, will you? Please don't make noise, will you?
Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.